Well, sis, how does it feel to be moving out of your space after a year?
Weird.
Yeah. Ready to go home?
Yeah.
You're a California girl.
You don't want to break it, okay? Ready?
We have been packing, boxing ever since I got off the plane. And it's going really good. We've got quite a bit of stuff in this room. We'll go get some more boxes and hopefully have this boxed up tonight. We pick up the U-Haul tomorrow and woohoo! Bill will be here Monday morning to drive it all home. Exciting. Don't fit. Just picked up the U-Haul truck. We're gonna go get it loaded. What an exciting day. We're gonna load up all of Michaela's stuff today and get her back to California. And yeah, she's gonna help us out there on the farm and with the animals and getting the property ready, the rental and all that good stuff. Ooh. There's Michaela. Michael, Choo-Choo's in the truck with them. We're heading back to her place. All right, well, get ready to get on the highway.
Done.
No, thank you. No yet. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. You sound like mom.
Yeah, this is the day Michaela's furniture goes back to California. Say good morning. What are you doing in this big truck? Michaela and I will come back here and we'll finish cleaning and then turn in the keys and she's officially done with this apartment. It's been a blessing for her to be here in this community this year. And what an exciting day. Yeah, a lot of planning leading up to this, so we're here. Ready, Freddie? Ready, ready? Whee! This is where Angel's been for the last year here in Woodland Park, Colorado. Thank you for moving. There's Angel. She'll be leaving tomorrow morning with Bill. He's flying in today into Denver. I'll be picking him up in about an hour and a half. Angel will be heading home. We'll see her over the weekend. We all fly home tomorrow morning.